Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to create a Christmas greeting card. So the materials required are 2 white papers and 1 red colored paper, sketch pens or color pencils, glue stick, eraser, pencil, scissors and a popsicle stick.
This is the easiest way to make a square out of a rectangle. After you're done folding it diagonally, you need to cut out the extra part. Now if you open the folded part, you can see we have a square. Now the first step is to fold the square diagonally to form a triangle from one corner to the other. So you'll have to cross across the sheet. Now you need to fold it into a half. Now comes the tricky part. So you need to watch very carefully. You need to do as you can see and form a triangle. Now you need to fold this triangle into half. Now you need to draw a heart. After you're done drawing the heart, you need to cut it out. Now this is going to be the base of our card. We will be working on this. After you cut out a small piece from the big white paper, you place it on the heart and draw the face of a shape for Santa Claus. Now this is done so the face size does not exceed the outline of the heart. Now you need to cut out the shape of the face. Now I'm going to color the face peach. If you have peach paper, you can use that also. After you take another small paper, you need to place the heart and trace the shape out. Now this is for the beard. If you trace out the heart, you do the same with the face. After you draw the beard, you cut it out. I've cut out the beard. Now, you can set that aside. You take another piece of paper and draw the mustache for Santa Claus. We have the beard, the mustache and the face. Now we need eyes. So using a punching machine, I'm going to get the eyes. So the extra paper you get after you punch a hole in the paper, you can use that as the eyes. After that, I've cut out some eyebrows too, and now we have all the facial features. Now it's time to put it all together. So you first stick the beard, and then you have to stick the face, and then the mustache, eyes and eyebrows. After sticking, I did some decoration like few coloring. Now we have the face ready. There is no Santa Claus without a Christmas hat. We are going to make a Christmas hat. Now this is also going to act as a cap for the card also, so it does not fall. Take a white paper and fold it diagonally and cut it into the shape of a hat. And make sure you do not cut the folding part. Now you open it and on the center you cut a bit. Now don't cut too much, only a bit. and on the other side you glue it, not till the very end but only a little. So now you have like a small opening at the end. You take the extra piece of red paper we got when we are making the square and draw a shape that's going to act like a border for the Christmas hat. You need to cut it out. You need to cut a circle of red paper and stick it on the top of the hat. I'm going to decorate the hat now. I'm going to put some red dots using a red sketch pen or color pencil. On the inside of the card, we're going to stick some white hearts that are slightly shorter than the outline. We have the hearts cut out and we're going to stick them. The white heart, I've written few wishes, and now for the popsicle stick. We are going to first wrap it in white color. If you have a white colored popsicle stick, you can just use that directly. But if you have a color stick like mine, you need to cover it with white paper. Now we have the stick. Now around the stick, we are going to use this red paper strip and we are going to make it look like a candy cane. We're almost done making the card. Now only need to make the bow. So for that you take a red square piece of paper and fold it diagonally from one corner to the other and do the same with the other corner. There are 4 triangles formed, so you cut out one of the triangles. You fold it into half and cut an arc on the end. Now you cut on the other corner, not till the end, leaving a little space in the center. You cut it out. Now rest are easy steps, so you can watch the video and do as shown. You stick the bow onto the stick and that is it. Your card is ready. Christmas card is ready. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please try this at home. Like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel.
for more videos. See you in the next video. Bye.